saw the video where the person, I showed it to Mr. Grosskreutz, the person runs up to Mr. Rittenhouse and then steps back, right?
Yes, I've seen that. Correct.
And no shot fired.
Correct.
You saw other people that were kind of, it wasn't a 2 or 3 person chase. There were multiple people kind of around Mr. Rittenhouse, some of them brandishing weapons, correct?
There were people, and there were people that were armed, absolutely.
And those people who didn't attack him, he didn't fire at them, did he?
Correct.
The only people that he fired at were people that had either kicked him, hit him with something, or pulled a gun on him when he's running down Sheridan Road, right?
I would agree with that statement.
And
this is the defense attorney questioning the lead investigator. Lead investigator is the detective in charge of the case. This person on the stand is for the prosecution, trying to put Kyle Rittenhouse in prison for the rest of his life for 2 counts of murder and a count of assault, shooting a person who survived. Kyle Rittenhouse defense is that it was self-defense, that he only shot people who were attacking him. And this lead investigator gives testimony consistent with what the defense says happens. What I've heard from people is, oh, Kyle Rittenhouse is a white supremacist. Oh, Kyle Rittenhouse is a vigilante. Oh, Kyle Rittenhouse was out to shoot black people. Everybody involved in this case is white. Kyle Rittenhouse is white. All of the people that he shot were white. The judge is white. Prosecutors are white. Defense attorneys are white. It's only white throughout this case. It doesn't have anything to do with white supremacy. So why is it people's perception? Very smart people. All of the people who were shot in this case are white people. One of whom was caught on video just prior to being shot saying, "Shoot me, nigga! Shoot me, nigga!" You don't spend all your time watching the trial for an event that you first learned about in the news. Nobody has time for that. But yet you formed an opinion when all you saw was a preview. Watching the news and getting information from the news and forming an opinion is like watching a preview of a movie and forming an opinion about what the outcome is. But you can't be upset at the outcome because all you saw was the preview. You haven't viewed any of the evidence. You haven't viewed any of the testimony. If you want to be informed, you're going to have to watch the movie. What's the movie? The movie is watching the trial.
And those people who didn't attack him, he didn't fire at them, did he?
Correct.
The only people that he fired at were people that had either kicked him, hit him with something, or pulled a gun on him when he's running down Sheridan Road, right?
I would agree with that statement.
And if you're satisfied with being misled, then continue to watch the preview and ignore the movie.
It wasn't until you pointed your gun at him, advanced on him, with your gun, now your hands down, pointed at him, that he fired, right?
Correct.